Hi Terry, my name is Michaela. I spoke with Diane earlier on the phone and she told me to send this message over to you. I am just calling local businesses in your area, going over your websites with you and just showing you how to get new leads, as well as go over your online presence. So to start, I'll tell you that I do have a background in digital marketing, and I know that Google looks for 3 specific aspects when ranking websites on their Google platform. Those aspects are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So let's look at content. When I look at your website, content is anywhere that actual text shows up. So you've got a little there, and here, and that's it. So not a lot of content. So let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. So anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So knowing that Google loves content, every few weeks they do a sweep of the internet and find content-rich sites and naturally just start moving them up the Google ranks. So you could be on page 5 today and on page 2 in the next few weeks just based on content alone. It's the biggest organic mover of websites out there. So with that said, and knowing that, I'm going to suggest you have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage. This is going to both get you seen by Google as well as outrank anybody who's on page 1 who doesn't have as much content as you. In addition, we typically recommend that every additional service that you offer have between 5 and 750 words of text, as well as appropriate keywords so that we rank for multiple search platforms. Let me show you what I mean. This is Ahrefs, and it just gives me a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet right now. And as you can see, you guys are getting about 26 people coming to your website every month, which is honestly not too bad numbers, but I'm going to give you some ideas on how to get things more stable, as well as increase that number for you. So again, when we come to your keywords here, we can see what you're ranking for currently. And it looks like you're on page 1 for your business name, as you should be, which about 60 people every month are looking for that. And you're getting about 20 of your 26 people searching for your business name specifically. But on every additional keyword, you're on page 2 and beyond. So what do we know about this day and age? People do not like to dig beyond their search criteria. When someone types something into that search bar, they want to know who's the best, who's the highest rated, and those are who we're going to go with. So those people on page 1 have a real advantage of getting more clients and business. So how do we get there? Well, I told you about keywords. So now we're going to move on to these two numbers here. Start with this UR number. UR is directly related to citations. And a citation, if you do a basic Google search here, we come up to this Google map or the GMB. And from the get-go, these top 3 businesses are going to get the most business just based on being visible, which is what every business owner wants, right? We want our information and our name and everything we offer to be exposed and in front of as many people as possible. So having direct visibility is a huge advantage. So how do we get to the top of this list? We add citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. And so knowing that, as you start to climb, this UR number is going to continue to get bigger. Now let me tell you about these 2 numbers. Google likes these 2 numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. And in doing so, that's going to create a lot of linear stability. So as you can see here, you've had some ups, some downs, and kind of all over the place, and your position on Google has just moved everywhere. So this is going to create a lot of stability for your placement on the Google platform. So this DR number is directly related to backlinks. And a backlink, in case you don't know, is anywhere that your business website is clickable and linkable on another business's website. So think HomeAdvisor or Angie's List. Getting our website on trusted sites with a lot of traffic is going to start to shove a lot of influence back to our site. And the more influence from bigger sites that we have pointing back to ours, this DR number is going to go up. And again, maintaining a 1-to-1 ratio is going to create that stability. Well, I hope this was good information for you, Terry. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. If it's not too much trouble, send me a quick email and just tell me your thoughts about this video. But that's all I have for you today, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.